So, hi dear Virgo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7 day 7 oracle messages reading for all the Virgo Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from today till the 31st of May 2026. Keep in mind the messages are general, they might or might not resonate with you. If they does, good. If they don't worry about it, just let it be. For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. They are pre-recorded, and I'm going to conduct a live event for 7 days 7 Osho meditations from 5th till the 11th of June 2026. Don't forget to attend the event. It's really beautiful, it's really positive, it's going to be life changing, it's going to be live. I can't record the meditations, it's not allowed for me. 3500 is the fees for Indians for 7 days, and for others it's 125 USD. So the fees is quite okay, I don't think so it's high, and for this much of experience. And I will see you on the other side. I'm very excited to meet you guys or see you guys. This is a good opportunity to start your spiritual journey if you have already started, maybe enhancing. And a lot of healing is also going to happen within these 7 days, and it's going to be really fun. It's not one of those boring meditations where we are just watching our breath and doing nothing. We are dancing, we are doing crazy stuff, we are doing the centering, we are doing the grounding. It's full of life, full of love, full of blessings. I will just see you there, right? Let's start, Virgo. Overall energy for Virgo people for this week. Cool. Ten of Raphael, love and blessings fill your life, harmonious relationship with family members, happily ever after. You guys are going to feel a lot of love is there, a lot of blessings are there in your life. Harmonious relationship with family members is also going to be there for you guys. Your connection with your parents, your spouse is also going to be really beautiful. So basically, you guys are going to feel very blessed and in a very loving and nurturing and caring kind of energies when it comes to your family and people who are like family to you. Okay. 25th, we have the King of Michael. Wisdom and objectivity are important now. Stay in your integrity. Staying in your integrity simply means to do the right thing, even if nobody is watching, even if nobody is asking you, even if nobody is asking for the accountability. Stay in your integrity and choose to do the right thing. A situation that calls for honest and open communication. The more you are going to be honest and open in your communication with something or someone, the more it's going to be easier for you guys to move forward and live your life to the fullest. Okay, so if there is any kind of miscommunication or no communication or any kind of communication gap in a situation where it's required for you guys to communicate properly, do it as soon as possible before it's going to be more complicated and more difficult to deal with. 26, we have the Knight of Ariel. There is so much to accomplish. There is so much to accomplish in a particular direction in your life. Make a very detailed plan. Proper strategy, proper plan is required in order for you guys to achieve something really beautiful down the line. Being watched over by someone kind. Somebody is watching you. Somebody is watching the way you are handling your life, the way you are handling your situation, and they might enter in your life, and the timing is going to be right for them to enter. 27th, we have the Seven of Gabriel. Stand up for what you believe in, have confidence, claim your personal power. If you are not going to stand up for what you truly believe in, Virgo, nobody else is going to do that for you. So you guys have to stand up for yourself. And you guys have to have the faith and the confidence in yourself that you can achieve what you really want, okay? Claim your personal power, okay? You have a power, you have the capacity, you have the confidence to achieve something, but you guys have to claim it. Claim it in the sense you have to stand up for yourself. You have to show to the world that if you think something or someone is right for you, then it's your choice and you're going to stick to that decision or choice of yours. That's the meaning of claiming your power. 28, we have the divine guidance, the search for meaning in life. You guys are going to feel like, what is the purpose of my life? Why am I doing what I'm doing? Why the hell things are going like that? What is this happening? What is that happening? So the search for meaning in your life will start from this day onwards. Consider an alternative approach. You might be thinking like, this is the only path that I should follow so that I am going to understand the meaning of life. But there are alternative approaches also. There are alternative things also that you can do. Surround yourself with wise teachers or friends. Surround yourself with good people, good vibes, good teachers, especially wise people who can help you to grow as a person, as a soul. Okay, that should be a conscious choice, conscious decision. So we have 25, 26, 27, 28. 29th, we have the 8 of Gabriel, a great deal of activity. A lot of things are going to shift, a lot of things are going to change, a lot of things are going to happen. Maybe you are going to do multiple things at the same time. Sudden and immediate results. You guys are going to get some kind of sudden and immediate results in a particular direction. Important communication. Some important communication might happen on this particular day. Maybe you guys are going to get some kind of documentation or some kind of email or some kind of important communication that you were holding back. This is a good day to do that. 30th, we have the page of profile, a new emotional situation, messages regarding relationship or social invitation, great intuitive insights. A new bond, a new connection, or a new emotional situation might pop up, and you guys might get messages regarding relationship or social invitations. Go there, have a lot of fun. You guys are going to feel a lot of love, a lot of care, and a lot of nurturing kind of energies around you. Great intuitive insights. You guys are going to feel intuitive messages, intuitive energies around you. Intuitive energies especially means that you know something but you don't know how you know that. That is intuition. Okay, but you know something, that this is it, this is what it is. It happens with me a lot of times. I can't explain people how I know certain things, and then they think I'm a fool or something, and I don't care about their opinion because I know what I know. And when that thing happens, I can't explain that I know it. So I don't know. That happens a lot with intuitive people, so it's okay. And every one of us have intuition, every fucking one of us. It's not like I have some magical powers or you don't have that or anybody else cannot have that. We just have to sit with ourselves, we just have to meditate, we just have to reflect, we just have to be at peace, and our intuition will start talking to us naturally and organically. Every one of us have that. 31st is 6 of Gabriel. Congratulations, you have done a wonderful job. Time to move on to the next project. Awards, scholarships, or promotions. So you have done a really wonderful and really beautiful and positive job in whatever area of your life it is applicable. Time to move on to the next project, to next work, to next opportunity. Awards, scholarship, or promotions are also possible. For this is a really good day for students also. If you guys are looking forward to have good energies, good vibes, and good results, there are very good chances of you guys having that if you have done good, obviously, right? Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Virgo, for this week. So I have the 8 of Michael. You can be free. Make a courageous choice to change your situation, not seeing things clearly. You might be thinking like you are stuck on something or someone, and no matter how hard you are trying, you can't be free. You can be. All you have to do is make a courageous choice. Make a courageous choice, or make a courageous decision here to change your situation and stick to that decision or choice of yours, and you can be actually free from a trap, from your mind, from something or someone that you might be feeling like you can't. Right now, you are not able to see things clearly because you guys are keeping yourself stuck in your mind, stuck in your head, stuck in a limbo that is actually not required. You guys can be free, but you guys have to make some kind of bold choices or decisions here. Okay, so this is what I have for you for this week. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste. And don't forget to check out the Osho meditation link. And I'm so excited. So I have to keep on saying that. Okay, bye.